All right, I'm very pleased to be joined by Dr. Nekky, Jamal, and Patricia Brokoff from Wayside Dental. First off, both of you, thank you so much for taking time to chat with me today.
No problem. It's
You're
awesome.
welcome.
Thank you.
So, talk about what you guys are doing. You're donating masks to the hospitals and all those frontline workers. So, talk about the process of how you guys came up with this idea.
For sure. So I got a phone call last week saying our hospital was in dire need of personal protective equipment, including masks. Being a large dental office here in Lloydminster, I feel like it was our duty to help where we could. So we donated over 90% of our masks to the hospital. And then we just started making phone calls to our dental colleagues across the province, basically telling them of the situation and how they can help. And then the masks started coming in. And so it's really been surreal. We're close up to like well over 5,000 masks that we've donated so far. And I just want this number to grow. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. And Patricia and one of our hygienists, Kim Melrose Wyatt, they contacted their networks, and it's been awesome. But I'll let you talk to P about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Patricia, talk about from your standpoint on what you've been doing from ordering them and talking to other manufacturers and suppliers and how that's gone for you personally.
For sure. We're very fortunate being a larger dental office. We have a lot of contacts, and our reps are really fantastic. When they knew that we were doing this, they were more than happy to step up and help us as much as they could. The whole idea is we want to plan, not panic. And so we are hoping that we can supply the hospital and the frontline workers, let's say at pharmacies, who are in direct contact with a lot of those people that are at the higher risk level, which would be our seniors and a lot of people that have the immunocompromised systems. We want to make sure that we can help our we'll call them our colleagues as much as we can, which is our pharmacists, our doctors, and make sure that they keep as healthy as they can, and that they can keep their patients as healthy as possible too. Our reps have been really great because it makes them feel, in this time when we all kind of feel like, oh, what can we do? What can we do? It gives everybody a sense that we're helping out and that we're actually contributing some good in this time.
Absolutely. And I guess what's been the general response from the people that you've donated to?
It's been amazing. Like the hospital is super thankful. They've reached out a couple times, and whenever we drop them up at physicians' offices or pharmacies, or even to optometrists seeing emergencies, everyone's so grateful because they're impossible to find right now, and we're just so lucky that we're able to help, and it's just that's just what community is all about. It's all about helping where you can, and in this time of need and fear, like we're here for each other. We got to help each other, and we got to stay together. Otherwise, the future is bleak, and so we got to help each other when we can.
Absolutely. And have you reached out to other dentists here in Lloydminster as well? They've been have they been on board with what you guys are doing?
Absolutely, yeah. We've reached out to all the other dental offices, and a bunch have donated. But like we had a donation from Saskatoon of almost 1,000 masks, and so it's wide reaching, and we all just want to help. We just need the opportunity to. So it's been awesome, man. I just couldn't be more grateful for the support that we've had, and I couldn't be more grateful for our frontline workers. They sacrifice their health and their family's health on a daily basis, keeping the rest of us safe. And this is just a small part, and we're just so grateful for them.
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate what you guys are doing. Like many of us that are going to watch this, we appreciate what you guys are doing and helping those frontline workers. So thank you to both of you for taking time out of your busy days to chat with me today. Really much appreciated.
No, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.